know how you guys always say don't buy a car in the rain? I promise. I looked at the weather. It wasn't supposed to be raining.
Yeah, leave it to you.
I tried to pick a nice day. It was supposed to be rainy in Georgia, but nice in Florida. It should have been rainy the whole time.
So today we're on a side quest for Alex. So your 73 El Camino that you've had since, how old were you when you bought it?
High school.
High school car? Okay, so his 73 El Camino that you guys never see because it's at our house. It's just been chilling there the last couple of years. Has been backburnered like all of Alex's projects. Not because of us, but because of Alex. Because he's very particular on what he likes and how he wants it to be, which we've grown to respect. But nonetheless, he's gotten a wild hair and is ready to start working on that El Camino, which we are over the moon excited for to do because he always helps us out with everything all of the time. So with that being said, we are in the thick of parts picking, assembling parts, assembling motors, planning, which is so exciting. That leads us to today where we're going to go pick up a, what year is it?
Wow, 80-something.
An 80-something C3 Corvette, basically.
What's left of it?
What's left of it. No motor, no trans, basically a roller, but it's got a 12-bolt rear end that's got giant tires on it. It's basically perfectly outfitted for what Alex wants to do.
It's an old drag car.
It's an old drag car.
It's
exactly.
caged and everything.
And caged. There's a handful of things he wants to take off of it for his car, mainly the rear. And it's pretty cheap, so we're driving down to our Ocala, Florida to pick it up. And we're making a weekend of it.
Yeah, we're gonna go buy more stuff too.
Yeah, we're gonna go shopping while we're here. So we're gonna go pick up his Corvette. We got the truck trailer. My dad is currently hanging at home, getting some R&R. So yeah.
If you have cool hot rod parts that you want to sell cheap, hit me up.
Would you look at that? It's still raining.
Well, we tried.
Did you?
Yeah, I asked for no rain.
And this is what the weather looks like. It is an absolute nightmare right now.
No, not a nightmare.
Literally
it's not snowing.
Waiting for a lightning bolt to just pop up behind your head.
It's not snowing, so
It's true.
we're doing good so far.
Well, we're 4 minutes out. You ready to own a Corvette?
No, can't say I am.
Yeah, somebody backed into it.
Cool.
Cool.
There we go.
Nice.
Yeah, they had a big block in it with a turbo. Used to be part owners from Moroso in West Palm Beach.
Yeah.
So right before they closed it down, they started tearing it all apart. So my dad doesn't work for him.
No.
He gave him Yeah, other than that, I mean, it looks good. That's why the pictures are outside the ice. And then, like I said, just the rust right here. Kind of that front part up. Yeah. Support. Yeah. Yeah, on the way up here.
Yeah. Cool.
And then I got a new windshield, brand new black windshield. And then I got
Romantic weekend away.
Good enough to hold. It's on there, probably.
I think by the end of it, though, I might need a new phone.
Why?
Because this thing is soaked.
No.
I think all you're missing, though, is a big tire.
Working on it.
You ready to get this thing loaded up?
Yeah.
Okay. The things these guys get me into. good. Good, all right? You got plenty of room on this side. I keep it cut that way a little bit. There you go. Out. You hung up? Kind of sad. This used to be a good looking car.
You're right.
Rock and roll and get out of the rain.
Yeah, I'm wet.
Me too.
Oh, cool.
Thank you. Well, today it's not raining.
Yeah, why did we do this yesterday?
You're asking me. I can guarantee nobody was going to go buy that car when we went and bought it.
We did. Means there's somebody else out there.
Exactly. I made it to my dad's favorite gas station, Love's. It's actually pretty neat. Like, to the point of where I don't even think I want to take it apart like you were buying it for in the first place.
We can just take the front end off of it.
It's just a really, I mean, apart from the fact that there's no big tire right there and the wreck right here, it's actually a really good looking car. There's a lot of good parts to this thing. I don't know. I don't.
Might need to.
That's fine. It came with slicks. I don't hate it though, and it's done pretty all right too.
Got Mark Williams in it.
Like it's not bad actually. I don't know.
They put drums back on the back of this thing.
I didn't notice that.
He's gonna want to run this car.
Yeah, it's cool, and it's his color.
We can just take the front end off of it, take the complete nose off of it, put a big block in it, put the power glide just for the dragster. Actually, we can put the Hemi in it. If we take the nose off, we don't have to worry about spacing. Just put the Hemi in it with the blower. Power glide. Race car. Maybe some new slicks, because these was kind of shot.
Now, let's at least get the thing home first, and then we can assess when we show my dad on Monday.
I really wish I could keep this sticker.
Oh, I wish it was a license plate too. We just take the back end off and hang it on the wall.
Okay. It's off.
It's a beautiful Sunday to own another Corvette, huh?
Got a lot of good parts. You know how I feel about parts cars. That's cool. It's very cool. And they were replacing this windshield? Oh, I see the broke now.
Yeah.
Broke now. So you did get a new windshield in the box?
Still wrapped up in a wrapping card, moving blanket.
Man, I'm gonna cut that roll bar out too. Is it a bolt?
Welded.
Welded in?
Yeah.
It's welded straight to the frame.
I like it.
It's like they made a whole new back.
We'll take that roll bar and put it in one of the dune buggies out west.
Bradley's.
A whole bunch of aluminum sheeting for the back, like the mini back.
It's just cool looking, you know, like
Yeah.
a drag car, Corvette drag car. Somebody did so much work to this. Oh my God.
Yeah, if you look underneath, you'll really be amazed.
And
Oh, I can see here what they did. The coilovers. Wow, look at that. Does that just go right into the fuel cell?
fuel cell.
Man, that's a lot of engineering, man, that they, you know.
Took the time to do that.
Yeah. It's really a shame, but you know what? Fiberglass.
I want to take the tail though
Full
and
glass too, man.
hang it on the wall.
Absolutely, this is so awesome. And I got you a Camaro wall hanger.
Oh no! Wait, where did you find that?
Down at Lansby. It's in the dumpster.
Oh hell yeah! I love how you have it covered up too.
Well, somebody said they were gonna take good care of my barbershop, and they left it outside in the rain.
Yeah, I meant to wash it. I didn't wash it. That was my form of washing it. That was all intentional.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is our idea of a romantic weekend away.
Good.
So
I'm glad we got to take the weekend off. It's awesome. This is great. This is fantastic. Take those marker lights, just garbage the rest of it.
Got it. Keeping the hood.
What do they do with the frame? Well, the frame's really good. Gosh.
yeah,
Wait. Hold on.
yeah.
You know what? You know what we should do? We should get that old Bronco body
Yeah.
and then use this frame to
Have
make the Bronco roll.
a lower Bronco.
Slam Bronco. Just cut the back end out of it.
Totally make it a freaking race car. Not with this stuff, but just
Are they just gonna?
a goofball rear wheel drive rear Bronco. I think we can get that Bronco body cheap.
Let's say, are they scrapping it? What is the owner doing?
Not cheap, not scrapping it, but
Good.
how fun would that be?
That would be very interesting,
Yeah.
to say the least. Well, not
Maybe
too
we'll-
bad.
Maybe we'll pull the doors, the trim piece. There's a lot of stuff that we can turkey rod run this stuff. So
I love how we start preparing for Turkey Rod Run like immediately after the last one.
I mean,
It's just how it goes.
you know, if the turkey rod
Runs.
pays us five to 10 grand every time we go down, I'll do it every time.
Well, you said that's the only thing you're ever doing for Thanksgiving, basically ever again. So
Yeah, it's fun. How fun is that?
no, it is fun.
Take this down. There's a wall hanger.
Oh, I don't know.
$500.
This might just have to stay on the wall.
$500.
I thought this was a real license plate, but sadly it's a sticker. It's
Pretty
cool
awesome.
though. Yeah. Well, you know us, full of crazy and some good ideas. I think though this car is just going to stay as a parts car for the El Camino, but if you think we should do something differently, leave us a comment below, like this video, subscribe, and of course, don't forget to get out there in your garage and get wrenched on your projects because it could lead to something like this or a heck of a lot better.